Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your password in your Bybit account. So first, log in to bybit.com, and then after logging in, click the profile icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, it will redirect main dashboard of your profile. So you can explore anything here, but we will be focusing in resetting our password. So click the settings icon, and then click the account and security tab. After clicking this, scroll a little until you see the login password, in which we have to modify this. Click the change button here, and now it will show you an interface of changing your password. First, your old password, and then your new password. Then after filling in these details, click the confirm button. And that's it. You have now changed your Bybit account password. And thank you for listening.